Hello and welcome. This is Amanda the Nerdy Krafter, and welcome back. This is day 9 of my art impressions watercolor advent calendar. This has been such an amazing journey. I'm getting back into my watercoloring again. I'm feeling so inspired. So I'm hoping this gives you a little bit of inspiration on how you can either use your advent calendar or other foliage stamps that you may have in your collection. Pull them out, start using them, make these quick, simple, and easy cards. Join me along on this journey. And if you are joining me, just put a little comment down below and let me know, yes, that you're following. So let's open day 9 and see what goodies are in store for us today. Oh, this is pretty. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. So beautiful green leaf stamp. And I'm just going to pull off the back here and add this to my picture frame from Dollar Tree. I'm going to prime my stamp, which I generally just do with my fingers. I know, bad Amanda. But we do what we do. We do what we can do. All right, so I'm going to start off with a piece of paper here, and I'm going to bring in my circle for this one. And this is just my double-sided tape. So I'm reusing things that I have in my collection. And I think I want the circle. I'm going to do a half circle on this one. Oh, no, I'm going to go out a little further. Let's go out to about, yeah, let's go there. Okay. So I am just tracing this very, very lightly. You'll see there's a very light trace there. And then what I do is I come back in with my eraser. One, erase the first one I did on accident. And then 2, I'm just going to go in and almost completely erase this. I want to just barely see that line. So that way, in my final project, it won't show up. Because once I stamp over it in watercolor, that line does stay. So it's super faint. I don't even know if you can see it. Yep, just a little bit. You can see that there. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and just turn on some music, let you listen along as I watercolor this. So enjoy, have fun, and I will see you back in just a few. All right, here is day 9 of our art impressions advent calendar. I added in some little bling, and this little corner up here just looked like it was missing a little something, so I went ahead and just added some of that bling up there just to flow it all the way around this beautiful wreath. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Amanda the Nerdy Krafter. Let me know if you are crafting along, if you are pulling out your advent calendar or your other supplies and making these quick, fast, and simple cards. Thank you so much for joining, and I will catch you again tomorrow. Have a great day.